In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about preemptive CPU scheduling algorithm, which is round robin. So before further discussing this algorithm, I want to request everyone to please do like, subscribe, and share my channel because it is a very new channel. Thank you. So what is round robin primitive CPU scheduling? Basically, in this type of algorithm, in this type of CPU scheduling, each process is executed for maximum T time unit. This T time unit, which is also called as the time quantum or time slice, that is, each process is given a maximum of T quantum to execute in the CPU. And when a running process is preempted, that process is kept in the ready queue. And after T time quantum, a new process gets CPU for its execution. Then suppose at same time process P is running in the ready queue CPU, and at the same time some process Q has arrived in the ready queue. So if the priority of the Q process is more than the process P which is executing in the CPU, then the process P is preempted and process Q is given CPU for its execution as it has the more priority. So this can be understood by a simple example. This is the example of round robin scheduling where T is taken as 3-time unit. So here process A to E is the process and its arrival time and burst time will be given. We have to calculate the turnaround time and waiting time. So for this we have to prepare a Gantt chart. So how to prepare this chart, Gantt chart? First, we have to see the arrival time. Process A has arrived first, and its burst time is 5-time unit. So but from this 5-time unit, only 3-time unit will be will be executed, and the rest 2-time unit will be for the rest 2-time unit. The process will be preempted, and it will be seen which process has arrived till 3-time unit. It is seen that process B has arrived till 3-time unit. So its arrival time is 2. So process B will be again executed for 3-time unit. That is 3 plus 3, 6-time unit. And in the ready queue, the process will be kept as its arrival time. Suppose first process A has arrived. Then at 3-time unit, process B has arrived. But process A has not finished its execution. So process A will be kept in the ready queue. And at 6-time unit, process C, D, and E has arrived in the ready queue. So process C, D, and E will be kept in the ready queue. Then after process B, process A is there in the ready queue. So it has time left. CPU burst time is 2. So till 2-time unit A will be executed. So 6 plus 2, 8. Till 8-time unit A has been executed. Now the other process in the ready queue is C. C will be executed till 1-time unit as its burst time is 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. So 9-time unit C will be executed. Then D will again it will be executed till 3-time unit. So 9 plus 3, 12-time unit, and but it has burst time of 4, so 4 minus 3, 1. So 1 burst time is left for its execution. So it will be placed after E because it is the next process, its execution has not been finished. Then after D, E is the next process to be executed. Its burst time is 6, but its 3-time unit it will be executed. 12 plus 3 is 15 and its 3-time unit has been left, so it will be kept in the ready queue here. Then again process D will be executed whose burst time left is 1, so 15 plus 1, 16. Then lastly process E will be executed till its burst time which is 3, so 6 plus 3 which is 19. Now we know the completion time of each process and turnaround time we have to find. So what is turnaround time? It is completion time minus arrival time. So completion time for process A is 8 and its arrival time is 0. So 8 minus 0 is 8. In this way we will calculate the completion time for process B is 6 and its arrival time is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Completion time for process E is 9 and its arrival time is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. Completion time for process D is 16 and its arrival time is 6. 16 minus 6 is 10. Then the completion time for E is 19. and its completion arrival time is 6, so 19 minus 6 is 13. And its summation plus divided by the number of process, that will be the average turnaround time, which is coming 8 seconds. Then waiting time is turnaround time minus burst time. So it will be calculated as turnaround time. We know of process is 8 minus 5 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 1 is 4, 10 minus 4 is 6, and 13 minus 6 is 7. So in this way, we will calculate the waiting time. After calculating the waiting time, summation of all this process, all this time divided by the number of process, which is coming 4.2 seconds. Thank you. If you like the content of this video, then please do like my channel, subscribe it, and share it as much as you can possible. And please do comment also. Thank you.